Yes, let's look at this question number 17 for chemistry, WAEC 2018. When substance X was added to a solution of bromine water, the solution became colorless. S is likely to be option A, propane, B, propanoic acid, C, propine, D, propanol. So when you add substance X to a solution of bromine water, the solution became colorless. X is likely to be. So what is the added to bromine water that produces a colorless substance? So what is supposed to be the answer? So the answer to this is C, propine. Propine is the answer to this. And why is propine the answer to this? Because X is propine, because bromine water is yellow. Whenever an alkyne is added to that bromine water, it decolorizes the bromine water, and this is because of the double bond of the bromine. So we say that X is propine. Why? Because actually bromine water is yellow. That is the normal color of bromine water. Now, it is a known fact that alkyne can decolorize bromine water. So it is a known fact that alkyne turns the yellow color of the bromine water to colorless, and this is actually because of its double bonds. We all know that alkynes have more than one bond, not actually double bonds, but triple bonds. So actually this is because of its multiple bonds. So because of the multiple bonds of the alkyne, it can decolorize bromine water, changing the yellow color, to change this yellow color to what we call colorless. So the answer is propine. It's one of the characteristics of propine properties, the ability to change the yellow color of the bromine water to colorless. So that's why X is propine, and that is the answer. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. Thank you, and God bless you.